friends! Today, we will learn the English alphabet from A to Z with fun words. So, let's jump in and enjoy Funny School's funny class. A for apple. Apple. B for balloon. Balloon. C for cat. Cat. D for duck. Duck. E for elephant. Elephant. F for frog. Frog. G for gift. Gift. H for hippo. Hippo. I for igloo. Igloo. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nest. Nest. O for octopus. Octopus. P for panda. Panda. Q for queen. Queen. R for rainbow. Rainbow. S for snowman. Snowman. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for violin. Violin. W for whale. Whale. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thank you, friends. If you want to enjoy more fun learning, please subscribe to our channel, Funny School. Play this video again to memorize A to Z with words.